Are you tired of planting the same things every single year? Do you dream of a garden that practically takes care of itself, saves you money, and still looks amazing? What if you could have beautiful blooms and tasty herbs that just keep coming back, stronger and better, season after season? Well, get ready, because we're talking about the magic of perennial plants. These incredible plants live for more than 2 years, meaning you plant them once and they return year after year. They are perfect for low-maintenance gardening, saving your budget, and creating a haven for buzzing pollinators. Let's dive into 9 fantastic perennials that are tough, beautiful, and incredibly rewarding for the lazy, budget-conscious, or beginner gardener. These are plants you can set and forget. First up, the amazing walking onion. These onions are like little adventurers. Instead of flowering normally, they grow baby bulbs at the top of their stalks, which eventually get heavy and fall over, planting themselves. It's literally an onion that walks across your garden over time, giving you endless green onions. Next, we have the classic lavender. Known for its calming scent and beautiful purple spikes, lavender gets bushier and more fragrant each year. It loves sun and doesn't need much water once established, making it incredibly low maintenance and a huge hit with bees. Chives are a spring favorite that bounce back with incredible speed. Snip their grassy leaves for a mild onion flavor in your cooking, and they'll regrow almost before your eyes. They even have pretty purple flowers that pollinators adore. You absolutely need echinacea, also known as coneflower. These vibrant daisy-like flowers are pollinator magnets, drawing in bees and butterflies all summer long. They are tough, drought-tolerant, and spread happily, giving you more blooms each year. Brighten up your garden with black-eyed Susan. With their cheerful yellow petals and dark centers, these flowers are a garden staple. They are super easy to grow, tolerate various conditions, and will naturalize, spreading their sunny disposition throughout your beds. Bee balm is not just a cool name. It's a pollinator party. Its unique spiky flowers come in stunning colors and are edible, perfect for teas or garnishes. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds can't resist them, and the plant returns reliably every. For a tough-as-nails herb, look no further than thyme. This low-growing, fragrant herb thrives even in poor soil and dry conditions. Use it in cooking or just enjoy its lovely scent. It's a perennial workhorse that asks for very little. Now for some serious long-term investment, asparagus. While it takes a few years to establish a patch, once it gets going, you can harvest delicious spears for 20 years or more. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it crop after the initial setup. Finally, the king of pies, rhubarb. Those giant, dramatic leaves and tart red stalks return bigger and stronger each spring. Rhubarb is incredibly hardy and productive, providing decades of delicious harvests with minimal effort. These 9 plants are more than just garden additions. They are investments in ease and abundance. They come back on their own, requiring less work, less water, and no annual replanting costs. Here's the best part. These plants aren't just beautiful and useful. They are champions of saving you time, money, and effort every single season. Plant them once and enjoy the show and the harvest for years to come. Happy low-maintenance gardening.